Every minute, someone with a good job still runs out of money before payday. It's not just you. But what if you could break the cycle, starting today? Have you ever stared at your bank account and felt a wave of panic? You're not alone. You work hard, you try to do everything right, but the numbers never seem to add up. That can change, and it starts with one decision. The stress at the end of the month isn't just about money, it's about the habits and choices we make every single day. You see others living well online and wonder, why not me? The truth is, you can have more, if you're ready to be honest and take action. In this video, you'll learn how to think differently about money, use your time wisely, and make choices that build real wealth. If your choices got you here, your choices can get you out. Let's take the first and most important step together. Step 1. Track every dollar you spend for a week. Use your phone, a notebook, or an app. Just write it all down. Start your journey today. Step 2. Review your list. Spot the subscriptions, snacks, and impulse buys you don't need. Cancel or cut one today. Step 3. Set a small savings goal. Put spare change in a jar or transfer $5 to savings right now. Start small, but start today. Step 4. Protect your time. Block out 1 hour this week to learn a new skill or plan your finances. Your time is valuable. Treat it that way. Step 5. Say no to one impulse buy this week. Pause before you spend. Ask, do I really need this? Every small choice adds up. Step 6. Celebrate your progress. Every dollar saved and every smart choice is a win. Keep going. Small steps lead to big change. Most people stop here. But the next step, that's what sets the wealthy apart. Ready to see the difference? Let's be real. Money problems are tough, but you have more control than you think. Taking charge of your money isn't about blame. It's about giving yourself power to change things. Your job, your skills, your habits. You can work on all of them. There are free videos, books, and courses everywhere. Use them to learn something new. You can practice, study, and spend time with people who are where you want to be. Surround yourself with friends who want to grow too. Try swapping some TV or scrolling for learning just for a while. Read a book, watch a how-to video, or take a free class. Every bit helps you move forward. Start a small side job or learn a skill like selling, editing, or coding. Anything that helps you earn more is worth your time. Every new skill is a win. Even a few minutes a day learning something new adds up. Small steps turn into big changes over time. Growth comes from what you build, not what you find. Protect your time like it's money. Look at your day. Where do you waste time? Time is your most valuable thing. Write down what you spend, how you use your time, and your daily habits. Noticing these things is the first step to making a change. Think about who you want to be in a few years. Then start acting like that person today. Your future is built by what you do now. Taking responsibility is the biggest step you can take. When you own your choices, you can change your life. Start now and watch things get better. Rich people know this. Time always beats money. A wasted hour is gone forever. You traded 5 hours for $10, but what was the real cost? How many hours dissolve into endless scrolling? Those hours could build skills or income. Think of your life in months and hours. Your conscious, awake years are limited. Be intentional. Swap gossip podcasts for interviews with entrepreneurs. Swap football for a tutorial. It all adds up. Every hour you spend learning increases your earning potential. Block your calendar. Set focus windows. Use Do Not Disturb. Find the leaks. Where are you pouring your hours down the drain? Once you protect your time, you can build skill, income, and optionality. Go on an entertainment diet. Not forever, just for a season when you truly want real change. Sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term freedom. Swap 2 hours of a match for a tutorial. Trade an hour of scrolling for a chapter on finance. These choices build your future. Stop spending to look rich. Designer bags and nights out are liabilities, not assets. Every dollar not spent on liabilities is a dollar toward an asset. Let your money work for you. Invest in things that generate income, a course that raises your rate, a small online business, or stocks. Build assets that pay you back. That $500 cost, think of it as a key to unlocking an extra $10,000 in income or avoiding costly mistakes. Invest in your growth. Paying for mentorship is paying for speed. It compresses years of trial and error into months. Education compounds. Skills can't be repossessed by a market crash. Knowledge is your safest asset. Broke people ask, how can I save? Rich people ask, how can I earn? Remove how can I save from your language. Focus on earning. Ask yourself, what skills can earn me $300 to $500 extra each month? Learn them. Invest in your earning power. That extra income changes your life, far more than penny pinching on groceries ever could. Move small, consistent amounts into investments or learning funds. Compound interest is your ally. Let time and money work together. Live below your means, long enough to create capital to invest. Discipline now brings freedom later. Build your wealth quietly. Let your results make the noise. The work you do now will pay off. Before you go, remember, the biggest risk is doing nothing. Are you ready to take action? Let's move forward together. Your comfort zone feels safe, but remember, safety is stagnation. Real growth requires risk. What's the worst that can happen? You return to a job that pays the bills. That truth set me free to try anything. Be willing to look like a beginner. Ask the so-called stupid questions. Pitch, fail, learn, repeat. This isn't gambling, it's taking calculated bets. Plan, test, scale what works. Start small. Most attempts will fail, but you only need 1 or 2 wins. Rejection is tuition. Keep going until you reach your breakthrough. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose your network wisely. Stop laughing at broke jokes. Surround yourself with people who talk ideas, opportunities, and growth. Go to conferences, join online communities, connect with creators and builders. Invest in your growth. Courses, masterminds, coaches. You're buying a map and speed. Knowledge compounds. No market can take it away from you. Investing in yourself de-risks your life. You become the asset. Action checklist. 1. Track your money. 2. Audit your time. 3. Replace entertainment with education. 4. Invest in skills and assets. 5. Take calculated risks and curate your network. Do these things, and your life can change fast. Truly. Start now. Be honest. Be strategic. Be relentless. If any of these points spoke to you, comment below which one you'll start with. Subscribe for weekly actionable guidance. See you in the next video.